So this is a AI agent that I made for myself. You can speak to it like a real person. So instead of using your Linktree links and having just a list, instead you send them to this page here. This is your new landing page, where basically your customers can ask you anything, and you can preload this with whatever that you want to really focus on. So I'm in the retail game, of course, and people might want to ask me about merchandising. So if we just ask it something simple, can you explain simple merchandising? Of course, this is linked to a GPT, so it will find the answer for your customer, of course. But the more we go on, you'll find out it'll start asking more personal questions. You'll start to ask for the name. It'll ask for customer's email, and then that will send that through. So it'll add to your list. So no longer does somebody have to fill in a list. Please enter your email here. Like a real person, I'll ask for the email. So it's come up with thought for a few seconds, simple merchandising. What's your name, of course? So I'll just put in. So introducing, and then it'll start to add who I'm talking to or who it's talking to, and it'll personalise that for you as well. Good to meet you. Here's the eyeline, the byline. So there's the merchandising tips, of course, and it will keep the conversation flowing. What store is it? What do you do? What are your top 3 sellers? So it's trying to find out more about it. So if I was running a video shop, which is a bit outdated, but we'll just see what happens. See if it picks up that it is outdated, but I'm doing this on the fly here, so we'll see what happens. Thinking for a second. I'm doing this in live time, of course. I'm not editing this video, so bear with us. Video store basics, here we go. New releases at the front, top 20, so it'll go through whatever it is your customer's going to be asking about. Now it's asking, do you want the checklist? Drop your email in. If I put the email in, it'll automatically send that copy of that email through, and they'll be on my list. So it's an easy way to, and then you'll have to follow up, of course. Hey, I see you dropped your email, and chat with them more. So it gives you another opportunity to contact these customers of yours. Now, if they want to contact you, or join your course or whatever it is you might be doing, it'll tell you. So it gives all my social medias, and of course the most important one that I send everybody to is, of course, the retail Breakroom, which is the free Skool community. So that's really where I want them to go. Now, if they get bored of talking, you'll notice over here I have added a couple of quick references. So books, what books do I sell? That's obviously the books that I've written, which I want to send to, and they can buy it from there. My social media, of course. So just with a click they can bring up where they can contact me. And of course the Skool community. So that's a simple agent that is going to replace things like Linktree. As a link on all your profiles. You've probably got them going through a Linktree, and from there you send them to social media or YouTube or courses that you're selling or anything like that. So this is just a more interactive way, and you'll find your customers will be a little more, well, interactive with you, I guess. So let me know what you think of that, and by all means feel free to join the Skool community, and you can I'll tell you how you can get one of these if you want to go down that path. Otherwise, if you're in the retail space, of course, hit me up and get involved.